Good morning, Mr. Master Paris, or simply, 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 Levin. Yes, Levin, we're not. And then Levin, it's April 17th, 2024, and it's Wednesday in Naples. Totally cloudy. At the moment, it seems totally cloudy sky and atmosphere in general, and it seems there's a think slight wind, not cold but heavy, and yes, it's late morning, practically 11, around 11. 66 and 2 Fahrenheit, Celsius, and this means that it's really soft now, like in this period, even if I'm waiting. And as for the winter, which I use always, since the first weather words with the silver, which I use always the adjective cold, not a classic adjective, as perhaps someone I think nobody, because nobody watching my videos, I suppose in that I'm sure, but however I see things for the same, also in this case for the spring and also the autumn periods, and since the first weather reports years ago, I use always an adjective soft, necessarily a classic adjective, and so as regards the English, at least for me, always nothing to do with weather, absolutely incomplete, but as you understand, being however in spring period or atmosphere, this degrees at this point are normal, nothing of a particular, and so I see the previous things. Today, no, I don't know if absolutely or totally, but surely not completely good the situation for the atmosphere. In fact, not briefly, and some other things on this. This afternoon, practically in an hour, I think that the temperature will be not so different from this. Al maximum that we could have 2-3 degrees more, yes, 3-4 degrees more. At the moment I repeat, it's 66 and 2 Fahrenheit and 10 Celsius. But the really important thing in questa atmosphere is that anticipate. As before we have this. Eso sì vuole disappear. Tako su vatri iz urtini. Non te rilasciuta. In fact, as soon as I repeat, totally white, grey, cloudy sky, atmosphere in general, and then if you're going to the half of the day, I think in the next few hours in the next hours until the end of the day, could become more obscure, and also that would rain if not a few moments, I think. But as always and obviously, I don't magicians wizards. But as always and obviously, we aren't magicians wizards. Mi si penso sì. E infatti ti sa come scrive. Band, yes, band. So season from the mythical wind in New York, since I'm born to tu, pratica in Seguania, nel Most and Alpha, and also the distributor of Bentley Benches, but attivissimo in sentire, any shut up? Regarding in shooter, sembra attivissimo in spring at il suo quinto and the appearance, the spring at last from the first part, where piano dei cortini sul settore any shut. And finally, from my medical keeper, my GX 614, APG 625. Greeting all the people for John reports, as getting together, and so my brother and my sister, plus some skiers, and finally, I hope you all have a great breakfast. Today, it's really absolutely in comparison are these in questo video Tababol in parte si attiva verso il fuori from the record reaction ma si sembra tanto 63 it was Saturday in fact in the breakfast at 15:10 I really started to eat at 15:10 yes I really started to eat at 15:10 today repeat fare voi just around 11 but the really important thing to should remember is that in some way also today fortunately so non really angry And that's what you need to see. Breakfast is always son of the most beautiful things in life in the world. Absolutely. Also, وما أعرف